Now you have reached the pinnacle, the mountaintop, the upper room. Now it's time to watch your business win and kiss the strife and struggle life goodbye, right? Well, not quite. You see, anybody on earth can enter the entrepreneurial domain, but only those who are willing to ride the roller coaster of running a business remain in the entrepreneurial domain. Being a boss isn't just about running the show, but also maintaining the show even when everything goes wrong. Listen, I can't tell you how many times I woke up and I had to put out numerous fires for my businesses. Are you ready to really start your morning like that? Are you ready to respond to angry customers? Even when I hired a virtual assistant and chat agent for my online store, I still had to deal with angry customers, chargeback, the Better Business Bureau contacting me, potential lawsuits, etc. Some of these so-called business gurus or self-help coaches will only tell you how swell it is to run a business and be your own boss. And while it is certainly an amazing lifestyle that most people won't ever live, these gurus don't keep it real about the hardship of running a business. That's why the majority of people are worker bees, not a queen bee. The entrepreneurial life isn't for everyone. Even for someone like me who always desired to be self-employed ever since adolescence, had times where I was like, fuck this. Let me just use my master's degree like my mama told me and see who's hiring. With that being said, I have a confession most people do not know about me. I tried on several occasions to go back to the 9-to-5 life over the past decade. Look, money has been tight many times over the past 10 years, so I wanted the for show money to help supplement the hope money of my businesses. I applied to be a personal trainer at a few commercial gyms. I applied to white collar desk jobs. I even applied to be a customer service rep for a phone company. And through it all, no one would hire me. I couldn't figure it out. I had a great LinkedIn page and my cover letter was so good that I created cover letters for other people. Yet, no one would hire little old me. And then one day, it dawned on me. Employers can tell that my energy is 100% entrepreneurial. See, bosses don't want to hire another boss. They want to hire people who are 100% down with being a worker bee. My aura, even in my cover letter, screamed, I work for no one. Being a boss is in my blood, thus why I can ride the tidal wave of running a business. I'm cool with the fact that most businesses I start with either fail or will win, eventually. Now, ask yourself, are you cool with the fact that your business may be an utter failure or an eventual success? See, don't let this popcorn culture we currently live in fool you. Real success takes time and effort to realize. Remember that online store I generated over $100,000 in a year? It took me 2 consistent years of time and effort to reach that point. Remember when I mentioned I was a top-rated personal trainer in Memphis? That also took me about 2 years of consistent time and effort to achieve. Real success simply isn't an overnight thing. And if it was, then everybody would be a queen bee, but there will be no worker bees to build shit. I greatly appreciate your time and hope my course has motivated you to start your own business and become your own boss. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to give you your last mission. Well, it's quite simply actually. Your mission is to exit my wonderful course and start your business right now. And when your business eventually becomes a success, at least tell people who inspired you to start it. Peace and blessings, my friend.